Is your fireplace mantle feeling a little boo-ring this Halloween? You're not alone! Transforming that blank space into a spooky spectacle can be a challenge, but fear not, because today, we're about to turn your mantle into a Halloween haunt that will make even the ghosts jealous. We're going to dive deep into all things Halloween mantle decor, from spooky and mysterious to whimsical and fun. Whether you have a grand mantle or a cozy corner, we've got ideas to suit every space and budget. So, grab your broomsticks and let's get decorating. Before diving in, we want to welcome you to our channel Decorants, where we share home improvement ideas that will make your living space more beautiful and comfortable. Let's first start with, what are some popular Halloween mantle decor themes? The key to a fantastic Halloween mantle is to create a cohesive theme. Whether it's spooky, whimsical, or elegant, choose a style that resonates with you. Start by selecting a color palette. Black, orange, and purple are classic choices, but don't be afraid to experiment with other colors like deep reds or metallics. Next, incorporate essential Halloween elements like pumpkins, spiders, bats, and ghosts. You can mix and match different sizes and textures to add visual interest. Don't forget to add lighting. Candles, string lights, or even battery-operated tea lights can create a magical ambiance. Recreate this spooky chic look at home. Find similar mantle decor pieces and inspiration in the links below. To elevate your mantle decor, consider adding a focal point. This could be a large carved pumpkin, a spooky mirror, or even a vintage Halloween prop. A focal point draws the eye and adds a sense of drama to your display. Finally, incorporate personal touches to make your mantle truly unique. Display family photos, incorporate handmade crafts, or showcase your favorite Halloween collectibles. These personal elements will add warmth and character to your decor. What are some popular Halloween mantle decor themes? The possibilities for Halloween mantle themes are endless. Here are a few popular styles to inspire you. Spooky and mysterious. Create a chilling ambiance with dark color palettes like black and deep purple. Incorporate creepy crawlies, eerie silhouettes, and gothic accents. Think of haunted mansions and mysterious forests. Whimsical and fun. Embrace a playful spirit with bright orange and black, oversized pumpkins, and cute ghost decorations. Think of cartoonish characters and playful patterns. Want more Halloween inspiration? Check out our other videos on Halloween porch decor, pumpkin painting, jack-o'-lantern carving, and window decorations. Elegant and sophisticated. Opt for a refined look with metallic accents, black and white pumpkins, and high-quality Halloween decor. Imagine a glamorous Halloween party with a touch of spooky elegance. Nature-inspired. Bring the outdoors in with autumnal colors, leaves, and woodland creatures like owls and bats. Think of enchanted forests and harvest festivals. Traditional and classic. Stick to the classic Halloween colors of orange and black with pumpkins, witches, and black cats as the main focus. Think of vintage Halloween decorations and nostalgic charm. Modern and minimalist. Keep it simple with clean lines and a neutral color palette. Incorporate a few key Halloween elements, such as a single black pumpkin or a minimalist ghost silhouette. Remember, the key is to choose a theme that resonates with you and reflects your personal style. You can mix and match elements from different themes to create a unique and personalized mantle decor. How can I decorate a small mantle for Halloween? Don't let a small mantle limit your creativity. Focus on creating a minimalist yet impactful display. Choose smaller decorations and avoid overcrowding the space. Vertical elements like tall candles or hanging decorations can help maximize your mantel's potential. Utilize mirrors or reflective surfaces to create the illusion of a larger space. Looking for more in-depth ideas? Dive into our Pumpkin Decorating Ideas playlist or our Halloween Home Decoration Ideas playlist for endless inspiration. Here are some specific ideas for small mantel decor. Single focus mantel. Instead of trying to fill the entire mantel, create a focal point with a single, eye-catching piece. This could be a large, carved pumpkin, a spooky mirror, or a unique Halloween-themed sculpture. Vertical display. Use the height of your mantel to your advantage by creating a vertical display. Hang garlands, streamers, or fabric with Halloween motifs. You can also incorporate tall candles or vases with long stems. Floating shelves. If your mantel is shallow, consider adding floating shelves to create additional display space. You can arrange smaller decorations on these shelves, such as miniature pumpkins, spooky figurines, or framed Halloween prints. Mirror magic. A mirror placed above your mantel can create the illusion of a larger space. Decorate the mirror with spiderwebs, bats, or other Halloween-themed decals. Want more Halloween magic? Subscribe to our channel for endless spooky inspiration and DIYs. Hit that subscribe button and join our spooky community. Illuminate your mantel. Use lighting to draw attention to your small mantel. Place candles, string lights, or battery-operated tea lights on either side of the mantel to create a warm and inviting glow. Remember, less can be more when decorating a small mantel. By focusing on a few key pieces and using vertical space effectively, you can create a stunning Halloween display that packs a punch. Now let's start with, what are some budget-friendly Halloween mantel decorating ideas? Decorating for Halloween doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some budget-friendly tips. DIY decorations. Unleash your inner artist and create unique Halloween decorations using readily available materials like paper, cardboard, and paint. Transform everyday objects into spooky masterpieces. Repurpose and recycle. Give new life to old items by transforming them into Halloween decor. Mason jars can become enchanting lanterns, and empty wine bottles can be turned into eerie vases. Let your imagination run wild. Thrift store treasures. Explore local thrift stores and garage sales for hidden gems. You might find unique and affordable Halloween decorations that add character to your mantel. DIY floral arrangements. Create stunning and cost-effective floral arrangements using artificial flowers or dried leaves. Add a Halloween twist with spooky accents like black feathers or glitter. Personalized touches. Add a personal touch to your mantel decor by incorporating handmade crafts or family heirlooms. This not only saves money, but also adds a unique and sentimental element to your display. Loved these Halloween mantel ideas? Show some spooky love by hitting that like button, and don't be a scaredy cat. Share this video with your friends so they can get inspired too. Repurpose old Halloween decor. Give old Halloween decorations a fresh look by repainting or adding new embellishments. This is a great way to reuse beloved items and save money. Remember, it's the little details that can make a big impact. So don't be afraid to get creative and have fun. And there you have it. With a little planning and creativity, you can transform your fireplace mantle into a stunning Halloween centerpiece. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and have fun with it. Happy Halloween decorating!